What's up, Dream Team? It's your boy J to the Izzo.
And your girl P Diddy.
We are JP
Dream Team.
And we are back, y'all,
with another cooking segment, you guys. What you see before you is a chicken breast. And we are off the grid, y'all, to meat today. And I'm making my baby's favorite thing. And what I'm going to do is... one
of my favorite things, because the favorite thing is spaghetti.
It is my chicken Baja pizza, you guys. And what you want to do, if you have a thick breast, like this is fairly thick, you just want to fillet it and thin it out, you know, just cut it down the middle, okay, and just make extra pieces with it, okay? So that's all you want to do. You don't want your chicken too thick because you want it to cook evenly and relatively fast. So you just fillet it. Y'all don't want to mess with me with this knife. Yeah, I'm kind of obsessed with knives. But you just want to fillet it. And you want your meat to be pretty thin. And our son is right here. Hi, son. What you doing, baby? Well, anyway, any little fat pieces, you just kind of want to thin it out. That's okay. And we're going to bake it. I have my baking sheet and I have my chickens cut fairly thin like I like. And I'm just going to lay them on the baking sheet. Excuse me, because I'm going to bake these. Sorry, guys. And I'm just going to lay them out evenly so they can bake.
Guys, thumbs up this video.
Because I throw down in the kitchen, y'all.
For sure. She needs a whole restaurant. You
know, I usually make my own taco seasoning, but I got this one because it says gluten-free and I can't have gluten. So what you want to do is, I have some canola oil. I would recommend like a mute oil. Mute meaning it has no taste, like olive oil. It has taste and flavor. Canola oil is pretty mute. So you just want to lightly coat your chickens. I'm just gonna, sorry, it looks crazy, but I don't need all that oil. Just gonna lightly coat them with each other because I've put enough on one or two of them. Basically, that's good. What you want to do is take your taco pack and season each chicken. And it looks like a lot, but trust me, this is what you want, you guys. Okay, I'm just going to pour it all on. Right, so then what you want to do is you want to shake off the excess. And you want to coat the back of it. You can use each other. You know, that's what I do. Just use the other ones. And this is going to go a long way, this seasoning. Shake the excess off and push it into the other side. You just want to coat it. Doesn't have to be perfectly coated, but you just want them all seasoned. And what that oil is going to do is going to help it cook a little bit faster. Okay, so these look right to me. You want to bake them on about 370 in the oven, and while you have them in the oven, you want to get started on your veggies. Take your chicken on your baking sheet and you want to cover it with some foil. Just gonna cover it really quick. You don't want your chicken to dry out. It's gonna keep it moist and juicy. You want to put it into a preheated 370 degree oven. Pop it in. And you want to cook it for about 40 minutes. Here are some of the ingredients that are going on this chicken Baja pizza. I have a tomato, a green bell pepper, cilantro, there's some green onions, and there is a red onion, purple onion, whatever color you like to call it. They say red in the stores. And I'm just going to chop them up really quick. So you just want to dice it up. Now you just want to chop your tomatoes. And I don't like all the seeds and the stuff inside, the gushy parts. So I take all of that out. Trust and believe me, I don't eat that part. You just want to slice your green onions. Here's an easy trick. Just cut the top off. It's going to stay the center. Cut the bottom off. And then you just want to cut into the side. Just give it a slit. Take your knife and run it in a circle and take the whole core out. Boom. Easy trick.
Goodbye.
Then you just want to cut it in half and just dice it up.
How'd you know how to cook, babe?
I'm pretty much self-taught. I have taught myself everything I know. You just want to give your cilantro a rough chop. Place your mushrooms. Okay, you guys, like I said, you want to cover this chicken with the taco seasoning on there and a little bit of oil, and you want to cover it so it can remain moist. Now you see all this juice in here? That's very moist. Okay, so what I like to do is just turn it around, take it to my cutting board. And I just like to give it a just chop. It cuts so easy because it's so cooked and it's so good. And these are going to be your chicken chunks for your pizza. And you're going to have to, you know, you want them bite-sized because you don't want them so big while you're eating your pizza. So what I like to do is just put it back together and just go down one time. So that
Hey, wanna slap your mama?
surely you did not just hear that. Take your cube chicken. If you hear my baby in the background, just act like you don't hear it, okay? Take your cube chicken and take your favorite barbecue sauce, any kind. Any kind. And you want to load it up with barbecue sauce. Stir it up. Make sure each chicken is coated thoroughly in barbecue sauce. Want each piece of chicken well coated. Okay, so you just peel it open. And most of the time the directions come right off. But just want to bust it. And you don't have to oil your pan. You just want to unroll the dough. Oh, sorry. Find where it's the beginning and the end. And here's the beginning here. So you just want to open it up. Now it's going to be stupid. It's going to not be the right size. So you just want to stretch it to your pan. And you want to make sure the thickness is the same throughout the whole pizza. You just kind of stretch it and it'll go with you. It'll move along. So it's pretty simple, self-explanatory right here. Probably in the light, sorry. And you want to make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees. Now it may shrink just a tiny bit, but not really. So you just want to make sure it spreads across your whole baking sheet. So that looks good to me. It's all spreaded evenly. So you just want to pop it into a preheated 400-degree oven. Pop it in. And you want to put your timer on for at least 6 minutes. Make sure. They say 8 minutes, but 6 minutes is perfect for my oven. Your oven may be different. Okay, this is what your pizza crust is going to look like after 6 minutes on 400 degrees. Take your favorite ranch dressing, and this is my favorite. Wishbone is the best to me. They have the better flavor. And you just want to pile your dressing on. You just want to smooth it out as if this were your marinara sauce. Because this is a chicken Baja pizza, it's going to have a different taste. It's going to be so bomb. You need a little bit more. Looks like a lot, but trust me, when it cooks, it dries out, so you kind of want it to keep it moist. So you want to spread that out. Most pizza places put their cheese on first and then their ingredients on top, but I like to put my, sorry, let me turn that off. But I like to put my ingredients and then my cheese, because my cheese acts as a binder and it holds it all to the pizza. So I like to take my chicken and put it all, spread it out evenly. So I have all my ingredients here, but what I like to do is just stir it so everything is incorporated, and I can just spoon it out. And cheese, and I just use the off-brand. It's a Mexican style cheese, and you just want to top your pizza. 400-degree oven for roughly 15-20 minutes. Here's the final product, you guys. There may be a little burns on the sides, but that's just cheese that burned. But here is a close-up of it. And this is a barbecue chicken Baja pizza. Now normally you would top this with shredded lettuce and avocado slices, but this is gonna work for us. My husband doesn't like avocado too much, but here you have it. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat it, you guys. I'm so starving. But this is it, chicken Baja pizza. Try this recipe out. Thumbs this video up. If you're new to our channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely thumbs it up, okay? Thanks for watching, you guys. We are
P.
Team. We are out. About to grub, y'all.